PUREBRUSH Accessories Company Limited was established in March 2012 in Château Town in Dongguan City, Guangdong Province. Our company covers an area of more than 7,200 square meters, and we have 155 skilled workers. Our company is made up of several departments including injection, painting, planning, assembly, warehouse, and quality. Quality is the purpose of our company. We believe that only the satisfied quality with the most competitive prices could help all our customers to enlarge the market in the world. Our company established a perfect quality assurance system and quality evaluation system. We passed the ISO 9001, BICI, and FSC certification. After 7 years of development and research, PUREBRUSH has become a professional and competitive hairbrush supplier and has been established as a leader in this industry. Our monthly production capacity has been up to 2 million. Our products are exported over 20 countries, which are related to a global marketing network. PUREBRUSH has always stuck to the service principle of client-oriented with competitive price, fast delivery, after-sales services, and provides whole process tracing service. To meet the customer needs and exceed customer expectation, welcome to cooperate with us. Our products are free of solvent, colorful, and environmental. PUREBRUSH is professional hairbrush manufacturer over 7 years with rich OEM and ODM experiences. We believed win-win cooperation is the best choice. Warmly welcome to visit our factory.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Alice from PUREBRUSH Company Limited, which was established in 2012 in Guangdong Province of China. We are specialized in plastic hairbrush, wooden hairbrush, hair clips, and mirror. If you have any requirements for hairbrush, kindly please feel free to touch me. Warmly welcome to visit our factory. Thank you so much.